Good morning! So let's talk about jeunesse. Ang jeunesse ay galing sa French word means young or youthful. So pababatayin niya tayo inside and out. So pag-usapan natin ang company. Ito ay nag-start ng September 9, 2009 at debt-free. Wala siyang utang and profitable. At rank top 20 siya na kung saan number 18 na tayo. At jeunesse is the number 1 fastest growing company in the incorporation 500 list. So dito makikita ang ating headquarter. Saan ba siya makikita? Sa Florida, USA. So ito ang ating owner. Si Randy Ray is a computer scientist. Has 42 years of experience in computer industry and profited over 300 million. Obtained a major contract with NASA. Listed in the International Who's Who, awarded as the Florida's Businessman of the Year in 2003 and 2004. At ito naman ang kanyang asawa na si Wendy Lewis ay mathematician. At nakarot siya ng more than 20 compensation plans. So merong interview sa kanya, what is the uniqueness of jeunesse among the 20 compensation plans you've made? Actually, ang sabi niya lang, I'm reserving the best. And listed twice siya sa DSA Top 20 Most Influential Women in Direct Selling. So, pag-usapan natin itong The Road to $1 Billion Company. So, pag-usapan natin, let's go to Amway. In a matter of 21 years, before niya na-reach ang $1 billion. Ang Avon, it's almost 86 years niya before niya na-reach. So, let's go about Nu Skin. It's almost 20 years niya before niya na-reach. So, let's go to conventional companies like Apple. In a matter of 6 years, na-reach niya ang $1 billion. Ang Facebook, in a matter of 6 years, na-reach niya ang $1 billion. So, this is a big question. Bakit si jeunesse, in a matter of 6 years, na-reach niya ang $1 billion brand? So, okay, ito po ang good news. We are shipping into 132 countries. Kung may mga kilala kayo sa abroad, walang problema regarding sa shipping. At meron na tayong 40 global offices around the globe. So this is the tagline of jeunesse. Live young, get results that last. So kung makikita natin ang picture sa taas, at the age of 70, ganito ang nagiging looks ng tao. So sa baba naman na picture, pag gumamit tayo ng product ng jeunesse, i-maintain niya at i-delay niya ang aging, at may parating tayong product na i-reverse niya ang aging. So merong product na instantly ageless, in just 2 minutes tanggal ang eye bag. So ito ay cream. So kung makikita mo sa picture na to, merong before and after. Sa upper part na picture is malalim ang linya niya, pero sa after is talagang mabilis na wala. So ito po ay it lasts only for 6 to 8 hours. So alamin natin ang doctor natin ng panlabas. Si Dr. Nathan Newman is a stem cell therapy in Beverly Hills, California. Actually siya ang mga doktor ng karamihan ng mga celebrity, actors, and actress. So, meron siyang product na pinormulate na kung saan hindi na daraan sa mga any painful surgery or any cutting procedure. Siya ay tinaguriang world leader in stem cell technology formulation. So, ito ang kanyang product na Luminous. So, meron siyang morning routine. Step 1, use the cleanser. Step 2, use the serum. And then step 3, use the moisturizer na merong UV ray. At meron tayong evening. Sa step 1, repeat. Step 2, repeat. And then step 3, night repair. At na-featured na tayo sa mga beauty magazines all over the world. So, pag-uusapan naman natin ang panloob natin na doktor. Si Dr. Vincent Giampapa ay President of the American Board of Anti-Aging Medicine and one of the first board anti-aging physician in the world. And author siya na napakaraming libro regarding anti-aging. At the same time, siya ay nag-serve as a consultant for NASA. At ito ang kanyang na-formulate na AM PM. At ito ay 2014 Nobel Prize winning research. Ito ay may 70 active ingredients. Hindi lang siya basta vitamins, minerals, at meron siyang DNA repair. Ang DNA repair pala, ayan ang blueprint natin ng ating pagkatao. So let's say, example, ang isang tao may diabetes. So ano yun na ipapamana niya? Ay diabetes din sa kanyang anak. Bakit? Ang ating naipapamana ay iyong DNA. Na kung saan itong product na to may kakayanang ayusin ang DNA. At pwede nang may stop doon. So, ang AM, makikita mo kagad in 5 to 7 days, makikita mo kagad ang dramatic result. So, it will maintain proper body composition by decreasing body fat, increase your metabolic rate, and create leaner muscle mass. At ang PM naman, it will stimulate faster growth of your hair and nails. At the same time, siya ay nagre-repair habang ikaw ay natutulog. At ito ang pinakalas natin, ang reserve. Ang pinaka-superstar niyang ingredient is resveratrol. Ang resveratrol, ang makikita pala yan sa balat ng mga grapes. At kung saan ang resveratrol, isang way na matatagpuan yan is sa red wine. That's why sabi ng mga doctor, red wine is good for the heart. Ang good news sa reserve natin is wala siyang alcohol content. At ito po, pag ito ay tinake nyo, ito ay sublingual. So ilalim lang po siya ng dila ilalagay bago nyo inumin at lunukin. So ito ang mga other component niya: green tea extract, aloe vera, green grape seed extract, concord grape, dark sweet cherry, blueberry, pomegranate, acai berry. So kung may mga kilala kayong may mga karamdaman sa mga nakikita nyo niyan, ito po ay malaking makakatulong para sa kanila. So we have 8,000 clinical studies according sa US National Library of Medicine. So meron pa isa rito sabi is resveratrol discovered by Harvard University, the anti-aging miracle of the century and the biggest medical breakthrough since antibiotics. So some people lost their health because of their wealth. Some people lost their wealth because of their health. So pag-usapan natin paano tayo kikita sa mga magagandang produktong ito. Earning financial rewards with Jeunesse is quick, simple, and easy. So we have 6 ways to earn. Number 1, retail profit, wholesale income, team commission, leadership bonus, customer acquisition incentive, diamond bonus pool. So alamin natin ang maraming product. Ang pinakaunang package is Ambassador Package. Ang worth ng products na nakuha mo is 95,400. Ang ilalabas mo lang is 61,515. So ang magkano na save mo? 33,885. So let's go sa mas onting product, Jumbo Package. Ang worth ng products na nakuha mo is 75,000. Ang ilalabas mo lang is 47,645. Ang na-save mo is 27,355. At sa mas onting product is Supreme Package. Ang worth na product na nakuha mo is 39,903. Ang ilalabas mo lang is 27,981. Ang na-save mo is 11,922. At ang basic package natin na kung saan meron siyang 2 box na reserve at isang AM/PM. Ang worth na products na nakuha mo is 22,200. Ang ilalabas mo lang is 13,251. Ang na-save mo is 8,949. Ang good news yan, pag abili mo ng package, is meron ka ng website na pwede mong isend into 132 countries sa mga kakilala mo. At good news yan, pwedeng dyan na sila mag-order at bumili ng mga products. At pwede mo nang gawin ang negosyo mo sa ganong karaming bansa. Step 2, use your Genius product religiously. Share your Genius stories to everybody. So, retail income. 35% discount ka na sa lahat ng products na kukunin mo ulit. So, paano ba yan? Ang isang reserve, 250 pesos. Pag ikaw distributor, 160 pesos na lang. So, may profit ka na 90 pesos. So, times 30 sachet, meron kang 2,700 sa isang box. So, ang ageless naman, 100 pesos mo pwedeng ibenta, is ang distributor price lang niya is 50 pesos. Meron kang profit na 50 pesos times 50 sachet sa isang box, meron kang 2,500 na income. So, wholesale. Pag wholesale income ang kinuha ng client mo, let's say, ambassador, meron kang 10,000 pesos or $250. And, let's say, jumbo ang kinuha ng client mo, meron kang 8,000 or $200. Supreme, let's say, Supreme ang kinuha ng client mo, meron kang 4,000 pesos or $100. Let's say, basic ang kinuha ng client mo, is meron kang 1,000 pesos or $25. So, sa number 3, we have team commission. So, lahat pala ng package na binibili nila is may equivalent na points. At yung points na yan, magiging pera yan. Sa Ambassador, we have 500 points. Ang Jumbo is 400 points. Ang Supreme is may 300 points. Ang Basic is may 100 points. So, ang good news niyan is you're only entitled for one account per couple. So, sa left side is, let's say, may bumili sa'yo ng package na Amba is you got 500 points. So, let's say, may bumili ng package na 100 points. Ano sabi ng company? Meron kang 600 points sa left. So, let's say, sa right, is meron kang basic, is 100 points. Let's say, may kumuha ulit ng basic, is may 100 points. Let's say, may kumuha ulit ng another basic, is may another 100 points. Bibigyan ko ng company na tinatawag natin na one cycle. So, pag may nakita ng company na 600 points, at 300 points, meron kang one cycle na equals 1,500 pesos. So, let's say, naka 10 cycle, bibigyan ka ng company ng 15,000 pesos. So, let's say, 100 cycle, meron kang 150,000 pesos. Let's say, naka 500 cycle ka, meron bibigyan ka ng company ng 750,000 pesos. So, in 1 week, ang kayang ibigay sa'yo ng company is 750 cycle, na kung saan maximum of 1.1 million pesos per week. So, ang good news niyan, no flash out. Lahat ng binibili nilang products is ika-count sa'yo. Na kung saan, pag magkaroon ka ng 1,000 cycle within a week, yung 250, next week nang babayaran sa'yo ng company. So, number 4, leadership bonus. So, ito po yan. This is you. Let's say, nakakuha ka ng first level mo. Meron kang 20% sa kanya. Let's say, nag 1 million siya. Good news, meron kang 200,000 sa kanya. All you have to do is to become Jade. Okay? So, let's say, may nakuha siya ng second level mo na. Meron ka pang 15% ulit sa kanya. Let's say, nag 1 million siya. Meron kang 150,000 pesos. Na kung saan, kailangan you have to reach the pearl. Okay, third level. Sa kanyang direct na. Pang third level mo na. Good news niyan, meron ka pang another 10% nakikitain. Let's say, nag 1 million siya. Meron kang 100,000 nakikitain. All you have to do is to become Sapphire. So, up to 7th level yan, Ruby, the next, and Emerald, and next, Diamond, and Double Diamond. So, kahit isang line lang yan, pwede kang kumita. So, that's the ladder to success. So, number 5, we have the customer acquisition incentive. So, let's say, yung first level mo, di ba kanina, sa number 4, meron kang number 4 nakitaan, meron kang 20%. So, let's say, nagkaroon ka ng 5 customer, magkakaroon ka ng 25% na tataas yung commission mo. Let's say, nagkaroon ka ng 10 customer. Good news yan, magiging 30% na ang commission mo. So, number 6, we have the Diamond Bonus Pool. Pag ikaw ay naging Diamond, 3% ng sales ng buong mundo is paghahatian ng mga Diamond. So, life is always been a choice. What do you want to be 3 to 5 years from now? Is it on the left side or is it on the right side? So, welcome to Gines Global. Maraming salamat po. God bless everyone and good morning.